morning we are going to be singing two of the pieces that we are working on for our winter concert. Two pieces that I think some of the older students, maybe in 12th grade back there, might recognize if you were in middle school chorus, I think. The first one is titled The First Snow by Christy Carey Miller, and it is an original piece about the mystique and wonder that we have when we see the first snow of the season. And it is a little bit ironic that we will be performing that piece after we have had what is probably our last snow of the season, I think, unless there's more coming. I can't keep track. And we will follow that up with an arrangement of Ding Dong Merrily on High, the traditional French Christmas carol, arranged by Ruth Elaine Stram. So we hope you enjoy.
Hello. Oh, yes, it works. Great. So here we have our seventh grade. They will present their pieces to you.
Seventh grade is happy to present two pieces today. Both composers come from African descent and have interesting biographies. The first song we will play was written by the very famous and popular Jamaican artist Bob Marley. Considered one of the pioneers of reggae, his musical career was marked by fusing elements of reggae, ska, and rock steady, as well as his distinctive vocal and songwriting style.
He was outspoken in his support for democratic social reforms in Jamaica and became a symbol of Jamaican music and culture. The piece we will play, One Love, expresses the idea that although we may disagree, there's a place for everyone in this world, and underneath all our actions, we are united in universal love.
Our next piece is also very famous, but the composer has very little acknowledgement for his extremely popular song, The Lion Sleeps Tonight. The Lion Sleeps Tonight is a song originally written and recorded in South Africa in 1939 by Solomon Linda under the title Mbube. It was originally written in Zulu and the title Mbube means lion.
It was adapted and covered internationally by many pop and folk revival artists in the 1950s and 60s, but Solomon Linda never received recognition or the royalties of his song's success. He is now acknowledged as the composer and his estate has been compensated. The seventh grade wants to honor Solomon Linda as the composer of this beloved song and dedicate this performance in his memory.